You are clear, but you got with me in my dear.
Just had somebody arrive here with a truck and trailer. A whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna check it out here real quick. So what do we got inside?
Holy cow, it's so much bigger.
Holy crap. What's going on?
Are you filming us?
Of course I am.
Yeah, nothing.
Got the Warhorse. We gotta film this bad boy. Got dual motor on this thing. Oh, heck yeah. I love it. Those got chains on the back too for extra traction. That's good. Very good.
You call that a weld?
Nope. We call it a fastening, not a weld.
Yeah.
If it was a weld, it would look pretty.
Well, it's not a weld, it's a splattering.
It was a nice mix of all ages there.
You have to know the weight. Did they run classes by weight?
Yeah. Yeah, like I was only allowed to be 1,100 pounds.
I saw you were 1095.
Yeah.
That was awesome. You got close.
I had to take a bunch of weight out. See if we got crank.
Clutch in. Mowing deck off.
Oh yeah, it'll run.
Sure do.
We have fuel? We have fuel!
Let's go.
It's relatively clear.
Sure it's not water?
I'm not sure.
Just needs to be directed.
Shoot straight in the elbow, right? That would work right there.
Yeah, I think that'll pull pretty good.
Oh, sad.
That was an easy resurrection.
Yeah.
The little Craftsman that my daughter is driving was the same way. You just pull off the trailer and
Yeah.
push some fuel through it.
It really didn't need much. The guy was like, I just want a new mower. Just get it off my property.
What's wrong with this one? This is great.
5 pounds.
Air.
Oh,
Good
I'm gonna step
15
away.
pounds.
Other than my little oops, everybody did really good, and it was super safe. So we'll have to redesign this so that people like me can't get hurt. So there were 3 main competitions today. We did a loudness test on entry, and we did a people's choice, which you all voted on. And then I'm making the executive decision that we're gonna do best puller. So you guys all saw the last one poll. Me and Ryan Brunson are HB Racing. We put on this presentation, and there's going to be a bonfire, the rest of the food and hangout time after this. So, without further ado, the loudest participant was Ryan's at 125 decibels, which is nearly maxing out the reader. But the person to enter who did the best would be Lauren. Congratulations.
Woo!
$20.
Let's go.
Very good job. I think you have your brother to thank a little bit for helping out with that. People's choice is $50 cash money and goes to a team that represents Warhorse. People's choice, Joel and Joel, come on over.
Woo!
Congratulations. Don't spend it all in one place.
Right.
And then the $100 grand prize goes to best puller, Noah Alvis.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Awesome job. All right, that's it, everybody. We're just gonna pack it up, clean it up, get a bonfire going, and enjoy fellowship. So thanks for coming out. And thank you, Scott, for the audio, and thank you, Chad and Leslie and Sarah and Margie and Ryan and everybody who gave a hand to this. So thank you all.
Oh. What does this have under the hood? It's a 3.7 liter V6. It's the same engine that the Nissan 370Z has. 332 horsepower from the factory. But I have air intakes, exhaust, carbon fiber, which doesn't help out a lot. But I think it's the biggest engine, or the most horsepower for the size of the engine that a car has. Because like most of the time, if something has a V6, it's under 300 horsepower.
Okay.
What they did something with the camshafts. The air intake camshafts, kind of like VTEC, how that works, where the higher you go, it's pulling in more air. to the car.
Okay.
Also, the other thing that's kind of impressive for this car is red lines at 7,600 RPM.
Oh, wow.
So, like for the year that it is, like back in 2008, that was really high. The new Mustangs that we have out now, those things redline at 8,400 RPM for a V8. Which is stupid. It's stupid. That's just stock from the factory, you know.
Oh, wow. What's the new starter in it? Fired right up.
A lot of the newer 370Zs and stuff, they actually have rev matching for you.
Oh.
So you don't even have to do any of that stuff. It just rev matches it all automatically for you.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. That thing's got some acceleration under it. Wow. I thought my Jeep was fast off the line. I've never pinned to my seat like that. I'm guessing for that acceleration, you're probably doing 0 to 60 in probably like 5 seconds.
5 seconds, yeah.